Improving your skills with advanced pivot tables in Excel can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities. Here are some tips to help you master them. Use slicers and timelines. Incorporate slicers and timelines to filter data interactively. Slicers allow for easy filtering of categories, while timelines provide a visual way to filter dates. Group data. Utilize the grouping feature to organize data into meaningful categories, such as grouping dates by months or quarters, or categorizing numerical data into ranges. Calculated fields and items. Create calculated fields to perform custom calculations within your pivot table, allowing for more tailored insights. Similarly, calculated items can help analyze data at a more granular level. Refresh data automatically. Set your pivot table to refresh automatically when opening the workbook or when the data source changes, ensuring you always have the latest information. Use multiple consolidation ranges. If you're working with data from multiple sheets, use the multiple consolidation ranges feature to create a pivot table that summarizes data from various sources. Sort and filter. Take advantage of sorting and filtering options within pivot tables to focus on specific data points or trends. Design and format. Use the Design tab to format your pivot table for better readability and presentation. Apply styles, banded rows, and custom layouts. Drill down into data. Double-click on any value in the pivot table to drill down and view the underlying data, which can help you understand the numbers better. Pivot charts. Pair your pivot tables with pivot charts for visual representation of your data, making it easier to spot trends and patterns. Explore Power Pivot if available. Use Power Pivot for more advanced data modeling capabilities, such as creating relationships between different tables and using DAX data analysis expressions for complex calculations. By mastering these tips, you can enhance your proficiency with pivot tables, leading to more effective data analysis and reporting in Excel.